Okay, we have a Milltronics Cnc / manual toolroom lathe, model ML18, serial number 10071. Machine was new in 2007. Machine has 19-inch swing by 60-inch centers. It also has a removable gap bed of 27.9 capacity in the gap. He's moving it right now with the hand wheel option. He moved the X and now he moved the Z and now he's moving the X. It also has the joystick for rapid. Ball screws and motors are very quiet. You have hardened and ground bedways. This is an original paint machine. You have an Adjust True 6-jaw buck chuck, 12-inch. Right now he's running the spindle at 500 RPM. Very quiet. It goes up to 2600, 750. 1200 RPM, nice and quiet. Let's also jog it around through the control. Spindle brake. He's moving again, the Z axis and the X. You have a Dorian tool post also on the machine. We're going to just move the tailstock quill. Machine also does have a steady rest. We also have a follow rest in the box. The Morse taper of the tailstock is number 5. Hey, I think you've seen it. Thank you for watching our video.